Dear viewers, welcome again. Today we are going to discuss a very fundamental topic of English grammar, which we frequently use in our everyday language. Here you can see some sentences. Uh, he sat on the chair. There is some milk in the fridge. She was hiding under the table. He drove over the bridge. She lost her ring at the beach, and the book belongs to Anthony. Here, in these sentences, we have some red colored words: on, in, under, over, at, to. Now, my question is, what are these? Okay, these are preposition. Okay, actually our today's topic is preposition. What is preposition? Preposition is an important part of English language. It is used to show a relationship between the noun and the pronoun in a sentence. In English, there are about 150 prepositions. Frequently, we use 70 of them. It has different types, just like simple preposition, double preposition, compound preposition, participle preposition, and phrase preposition. But in today's topic, we will only focus on the basic fundamental things of preposition. Let us have a close look at some of the examples to know how they are used in sentences. Here, what can we see? In this picture, we can see that there is a ball and there is a box. Okay, so what is the position of the ball? The ball is physically in contact with the surface of the box. Okay, the ball is physically in contact with the surface of the box. So to indicate that situation, we use the preposition on. Let us see what is the sentence. Okay, the ball is on the box. Let us go to another example. Okay, what can we see here? Here we can see same ball and same box, but a little bit difference. What is the difference between this picture and that picture? Yes, the difference is that actually in this picture, the ball was physically in contact with the surface, but here there is a gap between the ball and the box. So uh, to indicate that situation, we have to use the preposition above. So the sentence will be, the ball is above the box. So here we have learned two preposition. We have learned the use of two preposition. One is on and another is above. On indicates it is in contact with the surface, but we use above when one thing is higher than the surface of another thing. Okay, next, what can we see here? Here we can see that the position of the ball is just ahead of the box. So to indicate that situation, we have to use the preposition in front of. Okay, so the sentence will be, the ball is in front of the box. Okay, now here there is a different situation. Here, what can we see? We can see that the position of the ball is at the back side of the box. So to indicate that situation, we have to use the preposition behind. So the sentence will be, the ball is behind the box. Here, what can we see? Here, what is the position of the ball? Here we can see that the ball is surrounded by something. Okay, the ball is surrounded by something. Okay, this position is called in. Okay, so the sentence will be the ball is in the box. Okay, now another situation. What can we see here? What is the position of the ball here? Actually, here the location of the ball is just beside the box. Okay, the location of the ball is just beside the box. So, to indicate that situation, we will use by, the preposition by. So, the sentence will be the ball is by the box, or you can also say the ball is beside the box. Okay. Okay, now another thing, among. Here we can see that in this picture, the ball is at the central position, and uh, there are some boxes surrounded the ball. Okay, so this situation is called among. Okay, so the sentence will be the ball is among the boxes. Okay, among indicates a situation which is central in relation to several other things. Okay, among indicates a situation which is central in relation to several other things. So the sentence will be the ball is among the boxes. Here there is another situation. Here what can we see? We can see that the balls are located or situated every side of the box. The balls are located every side of the box. So this situation is called around. So the sentence will be the balls are around the box. Okay, now what can we see in the picture? Yes, here we can see that the ball is at the inner side of the box. So, in to describe that situation, we have to use the preposition inside. So the sentence will be the ball is inside the box. Okay, now another situation, what can we see here? We can see that the ball is at the outside of the box. Okay, so uh, that in that situation, we will use the preposition outside. So the sentence will be the ball is outside the box. Okay, now third picture. Okay, here, what can we see? What is the position of the ball? Actually, the ball is at the side of the box or next to the box. So, uh, in that situation, you can use both beside or next to. So, the sentence can be the ball is beside the box, or you can also say the ball is next to the box. Okay. Now, uh, another picture here, we can see a direction. Okay, direction. uh, so what can we see? We can see that the ball is moving from one direction to another. Okay, the ball is moving from one direction to another. To indicate that situation, we use towards. The sentence will be the ball is moving towards the box. Okay, now next to. Okay, next to indicates a position close to something or somebody. Actually, we discussed it a little bit earlier. Okay, so the sentence will be the ball is next to the box. Okay, now another situation beneath. Seeing the screen, okay, seeing the picture, you can easily understand what does beneath mean. Actually, beneath means underneath. So the sentence will be the ball is beneath the box. Out of, what does out of indicate? Actually, it indicates the source or derivation of something from one place to another. So the sentence will be the ball is out of the box. Now, uh, into. Actually, into means one sort of movement of action. Okay, from one place to another. What can we see here? Here we can see that the ball is moving from here to there. One sort of movement. If there is one sort of movement of action from one place to another, then we have to use into. So that sentence will be the ball is falling into the box. Okay, so far we described these. Actually, these were the preposition of place. We have preposition of time also. To indicate time, we frequently use three prepositions. They are at, on, and in. Okay, at is used to indicate a certain point of time, just like at 10 o'clock, at 11 o'clock. Okay, on, actually on is used before days of the week, just like on Monday, on Sunday, on Saturday. On is used before a fixed date, just like on the 25th December. Okay, now let us go to the use of in. Okay, in is used before season, just like in summer, in autumn. In is also used before month. You can say in July, in August. Okay, in is used before a uh, certain period of time of the day. Okay, just like in the morning, in the evening. Sometimes in is also used before year, just like in 2015, 2018, 2020. Actually, this is the end of our today's lesson. If you have any suggestion, don't hesitate to write in the comment box. Okay, goodbye, have a nice time.